Welcome to this guided chakra meditation. This meditation will focus on balancing and energizing all 7 chakras. You can do this meditation in a seated position or lying down. Also, using crystals by placing them at each chakra point will help elevate your experience. So go ahead and grab what you need and let's get started. Now that you've found your comfortable position, go ahead and close down the eyes. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhaling slowly through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, allowing the air to escape your body as you bring your belly to spine. Last breath here as you inhale through the nose, exhaling all the air out. Bring your awareness to the root chakra, visualizing a red glowing light at the base of your spine. And as you focus on this red light, I want you to affirm out loud or to yourself, I am grounded and secure. I am grounded and secure. The red light now moves from the base of your spine to just below the navel. The light now turns orange. And as you visualize this orange light just below the navel, I want you to affirm, I embrace my creativity and passion. I embrace my creativity and passion. The orange light now moves from below the navel to the upper abdomen. The orange light now turns yellow. And as you visualize the yellow light, I want you to affirm, I am confident and in control. I am confident and in control. The yellow light now moves from the upper abdomen to the center of the chest. The light now turns green. And as you focus on the green light in the center of your chest, I want you to affirm, I give and receive love freely. I give and receive love freely. Moving the green light from the center of your chest up to your throat. The light now turns blue. And as you visualize the blue light at your throat, I want you to affirm, I communicate clearly and truthfully. I communicate clearly and truthfully. Moving the blue light from the throat to in between the eyebrows. The light now turns indigo. And as you focus on the indigo light in between your eyebrows, I want you to affirm, I trust my intuition. I trust my intuition. Moving the indigo light from between your eyebrows to the top of your head. The light now turns white. And as you visualize this white light at the top of your head, I want you to affirm, I am connected to the universal energy. I am connected to the universal energy. Start to bring the awareness back to your body, dipping your chin, rubbing your hands together, and placing them over your eyes. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling all the air out. Thank you for joining me for this chakra meditation. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.